Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the MOBVOI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now let's open the MOBVOI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the homepage or statistics page of the app. Now find the icon called device and tap on it. And here you should see your TicWatch Pro 5 on the device page. If you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you probably will see the message right here, the warning message that if you want to get notifications, you need to allow certain permissions. So basically you need to tap on allow and allow every permission required. Let's tap on the allow button. It will redirect us to the notification access. Here you need to find the MOBVOI Health application on the list. As you can see, it's on the, or rather in the not allowed category. We need to make it allowed. So tap on the MOBVOI Health. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access to flick it on. Tap on allow, and once it's enabled, you can go back. And you will see that the MOBVOI Health moved to the allowed category. Now we can go back to the app by tapping on the back button, and the message is gone. If you want to customize the notifications a little, you can scroll down, tap on settings, and here you can tap on apps and notifications. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for basically watch only and phone to watch. If you want to customize the notifications for the watch only, you can tap on see all from the last days, and here we have the most recent notifications you got on your watch, and you can enable and disable the notifications for the apps. So basically you receive the notification from essential mode settings, and if you don't want to see them anymore on your watch, you can disable them by tapping on the switch right here. And this list will fill in when you receive more notifications basically. And it's the same for the phone to watch. So let's say you want receive the notifications from Google, make it enable it by tapping on the switch, and if you don't want it, you don't want to see them, you can disable them. And also this list will fill in when you receive more notifications. So right now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We got it, as you can see. Now when we go back to the MOBVOI Health application, tap on apps and notifications, we should see Discord here, as you can see, because like I said before, this list will fill in with the apps once you receive notification from them. And you can enable or disable the notifications on for Discord if you want to see them on your watch or not. I'm gonna enable it and close the app. And now I'm gonna send myself another Discord message. And I got it on my phone. Let's check if we got it on our watch. And if we open the notification panel, as you can see, here we have it. You can tap on it to read it, and you can reply to it. You can mark it as read or clear it. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that if you go to the device settings and app notifications, and then tap, or rather not, right, it's right here. There's this option at the bottom, enable notifications for new apps. If this option is enabled, when you receive notification from some application on your phone, and it's gonna be added to this list right here, or this list, it's gonna be automatically enabled. If you don't want that, disable this option. So that's one reminder. Okay, and once you're done customizing your settings, of course, you can close the app, and you should be able to receive the notifications, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.